area of the trapezium. Nazrin? Hello? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us start with the area of trapezium. In the last class, we have studied area of trapezium, isn't it? So what is the formula for that? Nazrin, tell me. What
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
formula
Ma'am,
for finding the area of a trapezium?
Ma'am, half height into B1 plus
half
B2.
into height into
B1 plus B2.
B1 plus B2. What is B1 and B2?
Base.
Bases of the trapezium, isn't it? One will be
Trapezium.
longer, other will be shorter than that in the case of a trapezium, right? So that is the formula for finding the area of a trapezium.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
Of finding the area of a, what is the formula for finding the
Ma'am,
area?
Sankita, ma'am.
Nakul?
Sankita, ma'am.
Yes, who is it?
Ma'am, your voice is low.
Voice is broken. Yes, Nakul, tell me. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I think camera is not connected. Can you see me?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So good afternoon, children. So we'll continue with the chapter mensuration in that area of trapezium, isn't it? So area of trapezium. Okay, Jonal, can you tell me what is the area of trapezium?
Yes, ma'am.
Put light. I cannot see your face, Jonal. So dark. Yes.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
What is the area of a trapezium? Ashwin?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
1/2 into H bracket B1 base 1 plus.
Don't say bracket. That is into, isn't it? Half into height into base 1 plus base 2, isn't
Base
it?
2.
Yes. Jonal was about to say. Yes, tell me. What is it? Louder.
Half into H height into base 1 plus base 2.
Base 1 plus base 2. And the previous chapter, previous period, we have done some problems related to it. No, one problem. One more problem you do, then we can pass on to the word problems based on that. Okay. Now, you do this one also. Just take down the problem. The trapezium. In this. Is given 5 centimeter top, 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter down, base 2, and then the altitude is given like this. It is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Now find the area. What is the area? Find out yourself and tell me the answer. Area is equal to how much? Apply the formula and do it. One problem already we have done, no? Same type. How many have come till now? Only 23. All of you switch on your video, those who are sitting at least. Isiad, Hashir, Gauri Priya, all of you switch on your video. Effins,
Ma'am, can you share it once more?
calculate and tell me the answer. Effins, come on. Yes. Why you're taking so much time? What is the formula? Half into?
Ma'am,
Ah,
your voice is
you got the answer. Anybody got the answer? You are in 8th standard. You should not take this much time for calculating this. Half into height is 6 into 5 plus 10, isn't it? Base 1 plus base 2. So what you will get? So write the formula half into h into base 1 plus base 2, b1 plus b2. So 2 3s are 6. So we have 3 into 5 plus 10. 5 plus 10 is what? 15. Answer 45 centimeter square. For this you are taking this much time? Hmm? Unless you study this cancelling method, you will not answer any problem faster. You'll take a lot of time to answer. Just cancel with common factor. Okay, all got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now why nobody said it then? Nobody told the answer before, why? Now we are passing on to the word problems based on this. Now write down the question. The shape of top surface of a table is a trapezium, right? The shape of top surface of a table is trapezium. Trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are. Find its area if its parallel sides are if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter, 1 meter and 1.2 meter, and perpendicular distance between them is perpendicular distance from perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. 0.8 meter. This is the question. And the figure is given in your text, that is the tabletop in the form of a trapezium. So let us draw the figure trapezium in your book. You can draw the figure trapezium like this. Okay, the question is given. This is a trapezium. It's a tabletop. Okay, the tabletop. Now we can mark what is given in the question there. So top surface of a table is in the form of a trapezium. Find its area if the parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter. So one side is 1 meter and the other side is 1.2 meter. So we can write it like this. Two sides two parallel sides of a trapezium. Let it be like this. Now, and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. So, perpendicular distance between them will be this one, isn't it? Height of the trapezium, that is 0.8 meter. 0.8 meter.
Ma'am, your sound is too low.
0.8 meter. Perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. Now what is asked? We have to find the area, the shape, so the area of the trapezium. Area is equal to, you know the formula, write the formula, half into h into base 1 plus base 2. So you can substitute in that, isn't it? That is equal to half into, what is height? What is height?
0.8 meter.
0.8 meter. So 0.8 into, what is the remaining sides? 1 plus 1 by 1.2 will come. Now add what is in the inside the bracket. Then multiply with what is outside and find out the answer. That you should do. I will not do it. Do it and find out the answer fast. You know how to calculate now. And what is inside the bracket first? Remove the bracket and multiply with what is outside. Divide with 2. 0.8 can be divided with 2 and all. Do it now. Shall I rub this? No.
Ma'am, 2.0,
Answer is
2.0,
2 point?
2.0.
No. 2.0 you won't get. That is not the answer. Anybody else got the answer?
Ma'am, 0.88.
0.88 meter square. That is the answer. I'll show you how. Let me try to erase this. Select eraser. This one. I will rub this. Yes. Now you see how the calculation goes. But let's just put what is inside the bracket first. So half into 0.8 into, what is this? 1 plus 1.2. 1 plus 1.2, isn't it? 1 plus 1.2. So 2.2 you will get, right? 2.2. Now you write 2.2 here. This bracket is opened. Now what? This 0.8. 2 how many times in this? 8. It is 2 4s are 8, isn't it? So 4. 0.4, or you divide. You can divide. Okay, 8 by 2, that is 4. Then how many decimal points you have to put? 1. So answer is 0.4. Just multiply both. 0.4 into 2.2. How to multiply decimals? 0.4 into 2.2. How to do the multiplication of decimals? First step, simply multiply like ordinary numbers. Okay. So 22 into 4 you do. What is 22 into 4?
88.
So 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8. So 88, isn't it? Now you have multiplied the numbers as simple as numbers you multiply. Then check how many decimal places are there. That means how many digits are there after the decimal point. What is it? You have to check how many digits are there after the decimal point. That means towards the right side of the decimal point. See, this is the decimal point. After this, how many numbers are there in the question? How many are there? See this? 1. Then here it is 1. So 1 plus 1. 2 decimal places are there, isn't it? In the question, 2 decimal places are there. So answer also after decimal point, 2 decimal place should come. So where we will put the decimal point? See, after decimal point, 2 places should come. So before 8, right? We have to put the decimal point here. Then only after decimal point, 2 decimal places will come. So answer. This much centimeter square is the answer. Did you understand?
Ma'am, meter square, right?
Centimeter square because it is
Meter square.
Just
meter square. It is meter given. Okay, then meter only. 88 meter square. 88.88 meter square. Understood?
yes, ma'am.
Decimals come, be careful. For multiplying 2 decimal numbers, simply multiply them like ordinary numbers, find out the answer. Then after that, you have to check how many decimal places are there in the question. That means how many numbers are there after decimal point. Same decimal places should come in the answer also. Okay. Next one. How to do division then? Division, suppose this is like this. Suppose you are asked to find 0.42 divided by 6. What you do? Simply divide like numbers. 42 divided by 6 you do. 6 sevens are 42. You know. Answer. Now, how many decimal places after the decimal point? 1, 2. Isn't it? So in the answer also, 2 decimal places should come. So what we will do? We have to put 0.07. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Simply divide like numbers. Or you do one thing. Suppose it is 0.42 by 0.6. What will do? What you will do? Decimal division. Nobody is answering. Why all these portions you forgot? How to do it?
Your voice is too
Remove the
low.
decimal point, isn't it? By 10. Multiply by 10 both sides you multiply. So it will become 4.2. This will become 6. Isn't it? So simply divide like this. 6 sevens are 14. Isn't it? Then how many decimal places? Point. It is 1 decimal point. So answer will be 0.7.
0.7.
Understood?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is the way you have to divide. Clear? See, you will get 0.42. Understood? So that is how you divide it. Okay, next problem we can see. The area of a trapezium is, write down. The area of a trapezium. Here, till now you were asked to find the area of the trapezium. Now what is the question? Till now you were asked to find the area of the trapezium using the formula. It was a direct question. But in the second question, you are given already the area of the trapezium and you are asked to find one of the sides. Okay. So the question is like this. The area of a trapezium is The question is like this. Second question in that. The area of a trapezium is area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square. 34 centimeter square, and the length of one of the parallel sides and the length of one of the parallel sides length of one of the parallel sides is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. Find the length of the other parallel side. Gopika, Gopika RM, have you sent the notes to me today? Gopika RM? Is not responding. Okay. Gogul Krishna? Gogul Krishna, you
Yes,
send your
ma'am.
notes today. Okay, both periods
Okay.
notes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So write down this area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of one parallel side is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. So let us draw a trapezium as usual. We can draw a trapezium from shapes. Yeah. It's a parallelogram. Sorry, it's a trapezium. Now, yes. What is given? Area is given, no? The area is how much? 34 centimeters square is the area of the parallelogram, trapezium. Okay. Then length of one parallel side is how much? 10 centimeter. One side is 10 centimeter. Height is given as 4 centimeter. Height is given as 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. So how will you find out? Area is given, no? So area is equal to how much? Half into base into, sorry, half into height into base 1 plus base 2. See it? So let us substitute here. Area is given. How much is the area?
34 centimeters.
34 is equal to half into height is already given 4 centimeter. 4 into base 1 is given, no? 10. Now we want to find base 2. We don't know what is base 2. Let it be there. Now calculate it. 34 is equal to how much? 2 and 4 we can cut because into here, no? Everywhere this is also multiplication. Children, when bracket comes, it is multiplication. So 2 and 4. 2 2s are 4. Isn't it? We can cancel 2 as common factor. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now this equation will become like this. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 10 plus base 2. Isn't it? Now what to do? Simple equations you have studied, no? What to do when such cases come? We have
2 into 10 plus 2 into B2.
whatever we want to find, make them alone. So now the equation is like this. 34 is equal to 2 into 10 plus B2. So first, which one we will bring to the left side? This is into here. So it is easy to bring which one to the left side? This is a transposition method. You have studied, no? Method of transposing. We'll bring 2 to the left side. So 34 is equal to 2 into something. So what is that something? It is 34 by 2. So 34 by 2 is equal to 10 plus B2. Now you can remove the bracket here because that 2 is not there, no? So 10 plus B2. Now what is B2? So this is 34 by 2. How much it is? 17. Isn't it? 17. Can you hear me what I'm saying? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So 17 is equal to 10 plus B2. Now how will you find B2 from this? How will you find B2 from this? Which number you will transpose to the left side?
10.
10. So 10 we will bring to the left side, isn't it? So 17 will be there itself. So we can, or you can, if you find it difficult, just interchange the sides. You can write 10B plus 2, 10 plus B2 and all. So 17 minus 10 will give you B2. So what is 17 minus 10? It is
7.
7 centimeter. So it is 7. B2 you got 7. That means the length of other side is equal to other parallel side. Other parallel side is equal to 7 centimeters. I want interaction of all the students. Why all are keeping quiet now? Is it because you are sleepy? All other classes I get very frequent answers. Very nice answers I used to get. All will be shouting, smaller classes with answers. Here nobody is speaking. All are kept quiet. Elsa Vincent, where is your video? Jonal, switch on your video. Did you understand this? Tell me where you didn't understand. Any doubt is there, you clear it. Because these are all basics, simple equations you have studied last year, no? Simple equations. Just we are applying the rules of simple equations there. Anywhere you didn't understand, please ask me in these equations. Simple equations, you know, when we transpose a number from left side to right side, if it is added to the left side, when you take it to the right side, it will become subtracted. If it is subtracted on left side, when it is taken to the right side, it will become added. If it is multiplied on left side, it will be divided on other side. It is numerator here. When you take to the other side, it will become the denominator. If it is denominator, it will become the numerator. Like that. Isn't it? So simple equations. Now we'll move to the, what is the time? It is 3:34. Till 3:40 you have, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you do one thing. Next question is little difficult for you. One more question is there. That is fifth. Next question. Well, write it. Write it, and I'll give you the clue. You do it yourself. Okay. Yes. Write the question. Length of fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is the length of fence of a trapezium shaped field is AB field is, or ABCD, field is 120 meter. 120 meter. If BC is equal to 48 meter, CD is equal to 17 meter. CD is equal to 17 meter and AD 40 meter. 17 meter and AD 40 meter. 40 meter. Find the area of this field. Find the area of the field. Okay. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides. Side AB is perpendicular Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides. To the parallel sides. To the parallel sides. AD and BC. AD and BC. Okay. Now, what is it? The length of fence of a trapezium shaped field is 120 meter. So there is a trapezium shaped field. Okay. So let us take a trapezium shape from this. The trapezium shaped field is here. Children, a trapezium shaped field is there. And it's what is given? Its length of the fence. What do you mean by fence of a trapezium? Fence of
Perimeter.
field means what does it mean actually?
Perimeter of the trapezium.
Very good. Perimeter of the trapezium, isn't it? Length of the fence of the trapezium. Fence means this plus this plus this plus this, isn't it? That is perimeter of the trapezium. So perimeter of the trapezium is given. Perimeter of the trapezium. Perimeter of the trapezium is given. What do you mean by perimeter? How much? Perimeter means adding all the sides, isn't it? So here AD is given, A, B, C, D. Mark the sides. And it is given 40 meter. This is 40 meter. And then the other side is 17 meter. Then last one 48 meter. And the other one is, we have to find out. AB is, see, this side is not like this. It is like perpendicular. Okay. It is, this side is given as perpendicular. This side is told AB is, isn't it? See here, it is given AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides. So that is the height, right? Length of AB is the height of the parallel, of the trapezium. So perimeter is given means add up all the sides, no? So AD plus DC plus BC plus AB is equal to what? That is already given. Perimeter, length of the fence of a trapezium, 120 meter. So we will add all this, then AB also. So 40 plus, that is equal to 40 plus 17 plus 48 plus AB is equal to 120. So find out what is AB from that. How much? Find out. Now let me take your attendance. Then remaining, after finding AB, it is easy to find out. No, H we will get. We will get H. Do it as homework. Now, let me take your attendance. Only one more minute. Yeah, Adi Lakshmi is present. Adi Lakshmi. Aaron Relix.
Present, ma'am.
Afreen. Ahmad Afridi. Aidihya T. Binoy. Agash Unikrishnan.
Present, ma'am.
Agash.
Present, ma'am.
Present means say present. Albin I saw. Amrita is there. Anna Binu is there. Ashwin P. Sunil is there. Aisha I saw. Effins, are you there? Effins. Okay. Yahan Binesh is there. Elsa is there. Emmanuel, I didn't see. Faisan, I didn't see. Gauri Priya,
Present, ma'am.
Gogul Krishna is there. Gopika C. Kumar is there. Gopika Aram is there. Gopika Shankar is there. Hashir Salil, Hashir, absent. Hiba Fatima,
Present, ma'am.
Jonal is there. Karthik Vinod is there. Miziad,
Present, ma'am.
Miziad is present. Mohammad
Present, ma'am.
Ishan,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
okay, Nakul is there. Nazrin is there. Nihan Salim,
Present, ma'am.
Niva Sadish, absent. Nooral Haya, Noor. Nooral is absent. Parvati C. Kumar is there. Renan, I saw Renan. No, Renan is present, right?
Present, ma'am.
Shahan Nasser, I didn't see now. Shahan, are you present? Shahan? No. Sneha Soni,
Present, ma'am.
Suraja,
Present, ma'am.
Shreya,
Present, ma'am.
Wazim.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So all of you should attend the classes properly. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand what is taken, even if you get the notes. Did anybody get what is AB from this?
I'm 15 meter.
15 meter, correct. So you will get 15 meter. AB will be 15 meter. Now H is 15 meter, no? H is 15 meter. Now you find out. Okay, children? Bye. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Hashir is present.
Ah.